The student, welcome my dear student. I think you are all keeping at home in the panic of coronavirus COVID-19. I do hope you are all quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah and passing a nice day. The student, you know our formal class activities have been remained closed since 17th March due to pandemic of coronavirus COVID-19. That's why our government has arranged online video class. I'm request you. Requesting you to enjoy my class, the student. At first, I am giving my identity. I am MD Abdul Gafur Ghazi, head teacher, Madhugram Secondary School, Domuria Khulna. Email gazigafur@gmail.com. Phone number 01717287969. Dear student, today we will discuss NCTB National Curriculum Textbook Board EFT English for Today class 9-10. This is your English first word book. We will discuss the student how to send the picture. A teacher is taking class with the student with a small classroom. This is a small classroom. We see in the picture is a small classroom. The students are, I think, very much interactive in this class. They enjoy the class very much with their teacher. The students, it is a model of a small classroom. The student, it is a model of a small classroom. The teacher is taking his class in a small classroom. Students are very much interactive and feel happy to participate in the class. The student, describe the picture with your partner and take notes. What we have already, what I already showed you. The student, what to say? It is a world map. World map. The world is connected to it. Some, you know, what are these at the rate of Google, email, phone, internet, etc. The student, at first I will clear to you I am very weak in the field of e-communication. I think you know better than me and you are all well trend by your all know the best about such and such activities. That means Facebook, Gmail, email, Yahoo, internet, iPhone, iPad, etc. That's right. How do you, the picture? The world is in his hand. He is perhaps he is removing the world with a finger. He is removing the world in a finger with some connectors. Yesterday, I already told you, you know better than me in the field of e-communication. Yesterday, all are the media. What are the media? Yesterday, email. We see e-communication. E-communication. Yesterday, how we communicate with our family members, those who live besides, who live in far and near in your home or in your country or in foreign district. There is, I think there is none whose family members staying in in our country or out of our country. The student, how you communicate with a family member? At first, I say my belonging. I say what I do. We are four members in my family. All members are staying very far from me. I am staying Khulna in my service. Due to in my service, I am staying Khulna. Family staying far and near. How we communicate with my family, my child and family through mobile phone. The student, today we cannot deny the importance of e-communication. We cannot pass a single day without make a phone, without an smartphone, without an email, without connecting without connecting our family. That's why we every day we communicate with the family member is called e-communication. You understand what do you mean by e-communication? Electronic communication. It is called electronic communication. How we communicate? We express our thoughts and feelings through email, through message, write message, make phone, internet, YouTube, Google, Hotmail, etc. to express our feelings and thoughts. Rikta, my student Rikta, can you guess what can we be discussing object today? I think your wall already gave the matter. Director, can you guess what the picture about? So one, the two. Email through mail. Restaurant. In our daily life, we are very much accustomed to take tea when you go to bed. We must have a cup of tea, then go to bed. So, mobile phone and email is a part and parcel of our daily life. At first, we check email, what I have to do in this day. At first, we must check our email, what I will pass the day. But smartphone, we see the smartphone, the Facebook, communicate with each other, Facebook getting with message or email, smartphone, email. Today we will discuss Unit 13, Media and E-Communication. Our topic is Media and E-Communication. Lesson 1, Media and E-Communication. Unit 13 will discuss this matter. And in this field, I am very weak than you. Friend, you are the you know the better than me. Just student. By the end of the lesson, student will able to what will able to learn. That is the learning outcome in lesson. How do we learn from this lesson? Develop listening and speaking skill through describing picture. Surf the internet. Develop reading and writing skill and reading and writing email. Act out dialogue. We act a dialogue. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to develop our such activities. The student, let us enjoy the video clip.
Blessings of media and e-communication. Welcome everybody to the digital world. Students, you all know that the earth has already gotten very small and it is still getting smaller day by day. But do you know how, what, or who are the pioneer for the fact? Perhaps you are thinking very deeply about many things and many fashions. Okay, let me say. Very easy matter. It is a simple letter and it is E. Here E means electronic and then comes I meaning internet. Media and e-communication has made this great world like a very small village. Facebook, email, blog, e-commerce, Twitter, e-learning, iPod, tablet PC, information superhighway, social network, a smartphone, etc. All of these are the means of media and e-communication. Remember, all of these are very important for a better life, and for advanced life we must have to practice, we must have to learn how to handle and operate it. Thank you.
The student, you are all enjoyed the video. Enjoy the video. The student, write down the word meaning. Here we see some word multiple. What do you mean by multiple? BM Himayat Hussain use in the picture you give the meaning. Use various such as we use such as smartphone, internet, email, Google, and is daily activities. It's multiple. Inevitable. Death is inevitable. Get the meaning. Seeing the picture. See the picture and get the meaning. A smartphone. I think all of you already have a smartphone. Gmail. Gmail. How to use Gmail? In Gmail, we express our feelings, our needs, demands, etc. Message, we short message, but email briefly express our thinking, thoughts, our demands, our needs, etc. through email. Facebook student, it is the most popular in the field of e-communication. Even a child use Facebook better than I. I am not extreme. I am not well confirmed to use Facebook. Do you know who is the father of Facebook? Zuckerberg is the father of Facebook. We connect our friends with Facebook and we express our thinking in Facebook. We share our friends. We send necessary information in Facebook, etc. It's called Facebook is a Facebook act a important role in field of e-communication. These are the elements of e-communication. All of the elements of e-communication, smartphone, internet, Facebook, Gmail, all are the important element of e-communication. Dear student, Read the text silently and answer in pair. Dear student, do you know what is an email? An email is an electronic mail. It is computer aided. Email is operate through internet of computer linked by the internet. When we write an email, by send an email, we must have to internet connection to send the email. How do email affect our daily work schedule? How do email affect our daily our schedule? I think what I will do, how I will pass the day, the email told me my routine. The email, at first we check our email and then we go to our activities, our schedule, work through email, what has required, what is asked from me, from my institution, what I will do, what I will pass the day. In this field, we must check our email. Then we do our activities in schedule work or daily work, daily work. Some commercial agencies in the world welcome to email. There are iCloud, Exchange, Gmail, Yahoo, all Hotmail. All are the commercial service of the world, connecting the world. The student, how to open an email account? That is Google account. I will show you after passing the exam. When you have passed the exam, you are all invited in my institution. I will help you to open your email or Facebook account. At first, I am very weak opening email or Facebook. I think at first email, first name, last name, you must choose, fill up the form, fill in the form and put your password, signature, sign in, then etc. The same Gmail. The student, email and Gmail are the same thing. It is a difference in file name, Gmail or email. How to write an email, dear student? How to write an email, dear student? Email, at first we fill up the address to subject line, subject What about the meter, operating, body of text, closing, signature? These are the element of an email. At first, what I do after taking the class, I will make a account YouTube. At first, I make YouTube URL. After completing YouTube URL, I find the URL number. I send it in my suggesting address. At first, every day I have to did their secondary at the rate of gmail.com. Subject line, I fill it online video class, online video class offering. Here I write the title of the story, the title of the text. That means today's topic is media and communication, unit 13, lesson 1. You fill the, then I write down my address and next I send it. In this way, I sent the email of email in DG office. Personal protect email operating BOB children log out. Here you can see in the form you will fill in the form date attached. So the letter to from attached subject date. In this way, fill up this all this category. At first, we fill all the fill up the all this field and then send. Thank you. Send and send. When you click the send button, the email will goes in your suggested person, or your desired person, suggested person, desired person. You must send flower, address, your thinking, etc. through email. Then you must click the send button. Follow the answer of email. Dear student, from gadipur73 gmail.com to students of teachers Madhugram High School. Subject details of return from Malaysia training. Today's 11:30 am. The student and teachers, thank you for your email. I am doing here fine. I am fly to Kuala Lumpur on the next after completing the training by Biman Bangladesh Airlines. The flight will be supposed to be landed on the Shahjalan International Airport at 8 am local time. Please pray for me. Wishing you all the best, Gafur sir. In this way, I Write down an email. The student, write a script on the merits and demerits of email. There are some groups: red groups, green groups, rose groups, tulip groups. We see in the four groups, you will write merits and demerits email in group. Evaluation. The student, what is e-communication? I think already you have guessed about the about e-communication. Name three medias of e-communication. The student, I told you we cannot pass a single day without mobile. Mobile is one kind of e-communication. Facebook, email, smartphone, internet. All are the e-communication. The student, homework. The student, write a dialogue between you and your friend about importance of media and e-communication. Thank you all. The student, love. Thank you all. No more today. See you again.